Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to be showing you a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. Now, this car has a 454 engine under the hood. It has a 512 casting block. So that's the same block they use in an LS6 Chevelle. Now, I have no documentation on this car to prove whether or not it is a true super sport car, but the tattletale signs that I am seeing on this car, I am saying that it is a real Chevelle, but I'm not representing that way. It does have a 12-bolt rear end under the car. It has front and rear sway bars on the car. It has a, like I say, 454 engine under the hood. It has round gauges in it. And I look at a lot of these cars all the time, and in my opinion, I'm going to tell you that I believe the car is a real super sport, but again, we cannot sell it that way with no paperwork. So you're buying the car, a 70 Chevelle Super Sport Tribute, because there's no other way to really prove this car one way or another. I did find some old remnants underneath the back seat of a build sheet, but you could not read. There was nothing that was readable. This car is orange with white stripes, as you can see, and it is very, very pretty car. The body and paint on the car is very nice. I would say the paint and body on this car is a 7.5 to an 8 out of 10. And I try to represent my cars to the best of my ability, and I tell you guys exactly what I'm thinking on these cars. This thing is beautiful. Black interior, bucket seats, center console. This car has power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Like, all the boxes were checked on this car when they ordered it. Interior is mostly original condition. The seats and the carpeting and door panels appear to be all original, as well as the dash. The headliner's in good shape. The package tray, your back panels, the rear seat, all your seat belts are there and intact. Your door jambs look very nice. Your door panels, Super Sport door panels. Your door seals are in good shape. There's the bottom of your doors all the way up. You can see all the spot welds on them doors. This isn't a 100-point show car. It's a very nice driver quality 70 Chevelle. But we're not going to charge 120 grand for this car. So I'm planning on pricing this car somewhere around $69,900. There's the underneath the hood. Has some Mickey Thompson valve covers on it. Does have a bow tie aluminum intake. See, all your stickers are still there. Factory air conditioning, factory power brakes, factory power steering, windshield washer reservoir, cowl induction hood. Come back here, we'll open the trunk up. This car is super solid. I was looking in the trunk here and checking out the quarter panels, and I believe the quarter panels will be all original. You can look up underneath here. You can't see with my camera here, but there doesn't look like there's been any welding or any patching on the quarter panels in this car, so that's why I'm believing that they're original quarters. You have a little bit of scratching on the rear window, up in this area and down in this area. That's what we do here at Kenyon Classics. I'm honest with everybody. I just tell you exactly how it is. That way you get this car and it's exactly what I tell you it was. The car runs good. It's got a hellacious built engine in it. It sounds good. Dash lights work. Bright headlight indicator works. Windshield wipers work, blower motor works, radio works. Like I say, heck, who knows? Maybe this is an LS6 car. You know, when General Motors had their fire in Detroit, they lost all records on all these cars, which is very sad because, you know, Pontiac has them, Ford has them, Mopar has the Galen reports, Ford has the Marty reports, and Chevrolet, well, you just got to kind of, if you don't have the build sheet, you're kind of SOL. I'll take this car out on the highway. When I brought this car home, I was having one of them frustrating days, and I got in it and stood on it, I guess I should say. Speedometer works. The gas gauge says enough. The car goes down the road good. It really drives well. Give her a little juice here on the way back. I always try to, well, if the weather's permitting, I guess, and I try to get out and show you guys an outside shot of the car when I stop here. That way you can kind of see what she looks like out in the sun. You see this beautiful orange paint glisten. Give us a call if you got something you want to sell. If you're interested in buying this Chevelle or maybe one of the other Chevelles that we have in stock, we'd sure love to help you out on a car. Even if you just want to call us and talk about cars. If I have time, I love to talk about cars. So, a little bit of traffic here. Traffic clears, we'll get out here on the road. Everybody's a lot of fun to drive. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450. Friday afternoon. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. And if you're not too busy, come visit us at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. 125 plus collector cars under one roof. Thanks everybody for watching our video, and please hit the subscribe button on the bottom of this YouTube video.